Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to see who blocked you on Instagram. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using your mobile device, your iPhone or your Android, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram account, okay? And as of now, there's no settings on Instagram that you can see who blocked you, okay? So what you can do is to search for their username, okay? So just go ahead and click on the search button. Now just go ahead and search for their username. So I'm just gonna search for this username, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and like that. So this is the username of my other account. And as you can see, no results found, okay? But sometimes there are chance that you can see their profile, okay? So like this. This is the profile that I searched. So now as you can see, it says this page isn't available right now. So when we go back here to Instagram and try to open others' profile, you can see that I can view their profile, right? So that means that this user blocked me. Okay? And that's it. That is how you see who blocked you on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.